Good morning, everyone. Today I will introduce the homework for number 3. Find a homogeneous transformation matrix of the given method is A sub J equals R is phi T is dt x A and R says alpha. This slide giving the matrix definitions. The R is phi is the rotation about the z axis by phi. The T is D is the translation along the z axis by D. The T XA is the translation along the x by A. Rx alpha is the relation about the x by alpha. The rotation for the calculation M1 equals R is phi times T is D, and M2 equals TXA times Rx alpha, and A sub J equals M1 times M2. Okay, the step 1 calculation. M1 equal R is phi times T is D. Multiplying each row by each column. The line 1 M11 equals cosine phi times 1 plus negative sin phi sin phi times 0 plus 0 times 0 plus 0 times 0 equals cosine phi. The M12 equals cosine phi times 0 plus negative sin phi times 0 or times 1 plus 0 times 0 plus 0 times 0 equals a negative phi of sin phi. The M13 equals cosine phi times 0 plus negative sin phi times 0 plus 0 times 1 plus 0 times 0 equals 0. M14 equal cosine phi times 0 plus negative sine phi times 0 plus 0 times d at the 0 plus 0 times 1 equals 0. The core, the first row is cosine phi negative sine phi at 0, 0. And the second row, we can do line 1. The final, we can get the second row is phi, sine phi, cosine phi, 0, 0. And the and the third row is 0, 0, 1, d. The first row is 0, 0, 0, 1. So therefore, we can get the M1 is matrix show line on the right. Okay, and then in the step 2 calculation, M2 equal T x a times R x alpha. Multiply each row by each column. The first row is 1, 0, 0, A. The second row is 0 cosine alpha, negative sine alpha, 0. The third row is 0 sine alpha, cosine alpha, 0. The first row is 0, 0, 0, 1. Therefore, we can get the M2 equal is the matrix. The final A sub I equals M1 times M2. Multiply each row by each curve. The first row is cosine phi, negative cosine alpha times sine phi. Sine alpha times sine phi. A times cosine phi. The second row is sine phi, cosine theta. negative sine alpha cosine phi, A sine phi. The third row is 0 sine phi cosine phi d. A line, the fourth row is 0, 0, 0, 1. And this is the final homogeneous transmission matrix is this. Okay, that's all. Thank you for your listening.